my brother-in-law formed a soccer team, he wanted the team to enter out-of-town tournaments. His idea was to have a dance where we would make money on food and drinks. Being that he trusted me, I was in charge of ticket sales. Guests would purchase tickets for food, beer, wine, and other drinks. As the dance was hopping, the event looked like a success. I seemed to feel lonely though. Few people were buying tickets, while there was a huge line at the bar. The next day, we completed the accounting for the event and we actually lost money. The bar staff were giving out free drinks. Regardless, my brother-in-law booked the tournament fees and hotel that was out of town. He put his credit card on for all the rooms. He didn't expect the team to charge meals and drinks to the rooms. The team played horribly because the players were partying. About a month later, my sister gets the credit card bill in the mail and it is maxed out. Not one player being single paid for their tab. My sister had small kids and could not afford to pay for food, electricity, or anything else. So my parents and I stepped up and gave my sister money. Today, many of those single soccer guys have married and now have kids. I wonder how many of those guys would get yelled at by their wives for messing up their financial budget. Not one soccer player ever paid us back or apologized for their lazy actions. Finally, I stopped playing soccer because I joined the team for a pickup game. Of course, I was chosen last. Then one person shows up and the captain of my team walks off the field. My brother-in-law stops and asks, why is he leaving? He then tells everyone that I am like a -2, and now the other team has one more player, so it's more like a -3. I started walking away, and my brother-in-law told me to stay. He was my ride home. No one ever supported me or apologized. Since that day, I have never played soccer again.